Complete shutdown will be observed across occupied Kashmir in protest against the visit by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the territory on Friday tomorrow. Call for the strike has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Strict restrictions remained imposed in Srinagar and adjoining areas in the name of the security for Modi's visit to the city. The city is resembling a military fortress with thousands of the Indian Forces personnel being deployed and surveillance devices such as drones and CCTV cameras installed. Door-to-door searches, frisking and questioning of the residents have also been increased. Protests were held at the various places in occupied Kashmir against the authorities' anti-people policies. These protests were staged in Kupwara, Udhampur and Rajouri districts. Representatives from various political parties and the civil society groups have also joined the protests. These protests highlight the widespread dissatisfaction with the basic utility services and the neglect by the authorities in addressing the issues. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the World Refugee Day today said that the Indian state terrorism spanning over a period of the past 35 years has forced the Kashmiri people to abandon their homes in occupied Kashmir and live a refugee life outside of the territory. The report said that when the world is observing the day across the globe, over 40,000 people of occupied Kashmir, including men, women, and children, are living a homeless life. Senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq, in a statement issued in Srinagar on the occasion of the Awami Action Committee's 60th Foundation Day, reiterated his pledge to continue to pursue the vision, mission of the founder leader Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq.